In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove integration in ConvertKit 2026. ConvertKit is now officially called Kit, so if you see Kit on the website, that's completely normal. To get started, open your browser and head over to Kit official website. If you don't already have an account, click on the Start Free Trial button to create one. If you already have an account, simply click the Login option and sign in to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to the Landing Pages and Forms section where all your forms and pages are stored. From there, either create a new form or open an existing one that you want to edit. Inside the form editor, you may notice a small ConvertKit or Kit branding badge displayed on the form. To remove it, click directly on the branding area. You should see an option that allows you to disable or untick the branding badge. Once you untick it, the branding will appear grayed out in the editor, meaning it will no longer be visible once the form is published. However, it's important to know that removing branding completely is usually a feature available only on paid plans. If you're using a free account, the option may not fully work or may remain restricted. In that case, you'll need to upgrade your account. To upgrade, look for the Upgrade Now button inside your dashboard. Kit offers several paid plans depending on your needs, and upgrading will unlock branding removal along with additional customization features. And that's it. That's how you remove ConvertKit. Now Kit, branding from your forms and landing pages. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.